Rate certified 7 years in a row.
Welcome back to ABC4 News Midday. We are here Endeavor Elementary in Kaysville. You know, as I came here and I saw the name of your school, the first thing that popped in my mind was, I'm a child from this sort of era, was the space shuttle, right? And so when I got here, this school does have a theme of kind of a theme of space, does it not? I see it on the windows. I see a little picture out in front in the hallway coming in. I believe that was of the Space Shuttle Endeavor, right? Yeah, that was one of our most famous workhorses over the course of the 80s into the 90s of technology that was developed even before I was born. Can you believe that? We flew those space shuttles through the 80s and 90s where people worked on that technology that was developed in the 60s and 70s. So that technology that you've got right here is more powerful than what was flying that space shuttle for years. Can you believe that? Isn't that pretty cool? How far we've come and how quickly it's gone. But we've covered a few quick things this morning coming into weather, have we not? Right? We covered the things that change the weather really quickly, which are cold fronts. And what other fronts? Warm fronts and stationary fronts. So, great question right now is I'm going to put it to the test. Who can tell me what is a cold front, what is a warm front, and what is a stationary front? So it's a three-part question, but I'm super proud of my sixth grade classes, of which we are. And I know you're going to know the answer to this. So I'm going to go to our lady over here. What is your name?
Mia.
Mia. So it's a three-part question. Let's start easy first. What is a cold front?
A cold front is when cold air moves in and it leaves cold air.
And it leaves cold air in place. Great. So what is a warm front?
When warm air comes in and warm air.
And warm air comes in. So then, this might be the tricky one, what's the stationary front?
Where the air just stays there.
Where it's not moving, where we're not getting colder or warmer air. And you're exactly right, Mia. Thanks for paying attention. I knew you were going to know those answers very quickly. And excuse me for walking in front of you. My apologies. But there's one front we really didn't cover that's a pretty important front sometimes, and it's a little bit of an interesting front, but we call it an occluded front. So many times when we have this occluded front, and you don't talk about it very much, what happens is we get a cold front in, usually out ahead of that cold front, we get a warm front, and in an occluded front, what happens is the colder air comes in behind it, and it's actually going to move that colder air and push the warmer air up in the air. So effectively, it kind of pinches off the cold fronts and the colder air and the warmer air. So that warm air gets pushed up into the atmosphere, and we call these occluded fronts. But a lot of times we don't see a ton of them here in Utah. We just get our cold fronts. In fact, it's pretty rare we even get our warm fronts. But great listening here are our students. And we know what's coming our way today is a cold front. So let's talk about that cold front right now as we get to see everybody up close and personal here at Endeavor Elementary. So let's take a look at our forecast. JD Byrider, downtown Cam. We've got at least a few clouds here, and we've got temperatures, can you believe, even with these clouds are well above average. We're to 50s in many cases. And now what's happened is we've gone east in Utah is there's been colder air. And what have the winds been like the last few days? Has it been really calm and just quiet out there? Anybody lost their hat the last few days or flown a kite? It would have been the days that could have happened. It's been windy, so yes, you're right. And we haven't gotten the winds to the east part of the state, and that's where the colder air that usually can stick into our valley sometimes, even here in Kaysville, and make that air really dirty. But the air this time around has been stuck to eastern Utah. Cold front today, I'm expecting to move in anytime after 5 p.m. here in Kaysville. Could bring a shower, maybe even a thunderstorm. But the precipitation associated with this front, I do not expect a lot. I do find a bigger wave of moisture coming in Friday going into Saturday. And that forecast shows that there's the potential for more snow. But we just looked at the snow forecast. Here in the Wasatch Front, we're expecting a lot of snow? No. We're expecting maybe a little bit. And if we do find that snow here in the Wasatch Front, I think it's going to be stacking up on the grass, which means if you want to get in around and maybe go up to the ski resort in Snow Basin not too far away this weekend, that means that road's just going to be wet. You're right. So we've gone right into the forecast for St. George, and it looks like St. George has a couple mild spring-like days. Can you believe it was 65 in St. George yesterday? That's shorts weather for me, right? Shorts and tees. 65 again today, tomorrow. For the Wasatch Front Salt Lake forecast, we're looking for at least tomorrow after this cold front. We're going to drop from these 50s. I hope you enjoyed them because we're back to under average highs of upper 30s to lower 40s. Chance of a shower storm tonight. Watch out. I don't think it'll be bad, but then watch out for some snow potential this weekend. Endeavor Elementary, thank you for having me in today. At ABC4 News, we like to say we're good for Utah. So can you help me out on the count of 3? Waving at your loudest voice, tell me good for Utah, okay? All right. At ABC4 News, we like to say we are 1, 2, 3.